Smart functions make this nightlight stand out from all the ones I reviewed so far. Hi, my name is Alex Crane, and this is a collaboration between Philips and Xiaomi's Mijia. Using Bluetooth, it connects to your phone via the Mi Home app, where you can adjust the brightness and duration. There's also home automation, but it's a disappointment. More on that later on. These lamps truly shine when placed on the stairs, multi-rooms and corners, thanks to the ability to daisy chain, aka connecting multiple lights together by pressing the top button on one and then on the other. So once you get out of bed, a path of light awaits right to your restroom, powered by triple AA batteries that promise us 10 months of regular usage, includes a 3M mounting sticker and a poor excuse of a lanyard that not only makes it look meh, but gets it to shine in your eyes. The perceived brightness is lower compared to the ones I previously tested, which is great for your eyes and sleep, but it would also mean you might have to buy a couple. It does a very good job at illuminating the surface it's on, but doesn't shine much on the far surroundings. If you, like me, can't easily fall asleep, this is much more preferred. I actually ordered these after watching Martin's review.
With all of your other smart home gadgets that you might have from Xiaomi.
Objection. This is absolutely not true. It can only be used as a trigger and not be triggered, which limits the utility immensely. Can't activate by pressing a button or walking past a camera or motion sensor, probably done to conserve the battery. But as an established YouTuber with the means of testing, a key feature nonetheless that would take 30 seconds or less, kinda sus. Well, the product is great nonetheless, it just could be more convenient. So yeah, hit that button, subscribe, like and comment to support short, informative videos that don't sugarcoat it. See ya!